I don't think I'm gonna be driving today, boys. We got a bit of snow. Moving to the country, gonna eat me a lot of peaches. Still snowing, folks. Still. It's getting dark. Still homebound. Snow. I thought you were gonna quit us. You didn't quit us. There's just snow. Still no sign of Hobo Kitty. So he's probably made it home and stayed there and kept warm. Thank God. Holy shit, man. It's not gonna quit. Alright, I just did a little photography for my neighbor there, and she dropped off some goodies. I don't know what this is. Looks like a Telus box for TV, but it looks like a TiVo. It has like HD record. I wonder if I could somehow like hack this just to make it record shows. I don't know, an old D-Link router, which no, it's for a DSL. Alright, don't need that. Might be able to do something with that. Optical mouse. A Dell laptop, which apparently is just broken, but maybe repairable. Oh, it's a Gooter, actually. That's a good one. It's a nice laptop. Alright, so that's something I could probably fix, I think. Like day 3 or 4, I thought we'd quit this game. Welcome to Canada. Somebody called the police, Ben. We're fucked. So that's like the Super Bowl is being played right now on this little box. Whoopa. Definitely not 4K, but it's watchable. And like the stream is fine, man. For free TV. This is awesome. Okay, Snow, you can really quit this time. Yeah. It is not stopping. It's like day 4 now. This is gonna be like one of the craziest winters ever here. Thank God for this thing, man. It's saving my life. Cooking away and just heating the place up like crazy. This is getting beyond crazy. It's like, I don't know, day 5 now. Maybe 6. And we got like another few inches last night at least. The sun looks kind of cool coming through there. I'm gonna walk up to the store because I'm getting cabin fever like a freak, and I don't have any food. I don't have any smokes either. I'm screwed. But yeah, let's go up there. The roads don't actually look too bad. It's just getting out of the driveway. Total, that's not gonna happen. Like the snow is above the bumper on my car, and then once I get out to here, this will just be slippery as yeah. That's ice. So I'm just gonna walk up to the store here, grab some groceries, because I'm out of food. I've been stuck here since Friday morning. It's now fucking Wednesday. Yeah, I'm getting cabin fever, folks. Settling. Look at these trees down here too. It's amazing that we have managed to keep the power on this long. That's just fucking nuts. Whoa, just got a piece of snow right in my face. Just falling off these trees. Yeah, that's right along the power lines. That's not good. Now this looks pretty normal, but it's actually really icy. Like this slush I'm stepping on is just... I guess that's where all the sand and trucks are hanging out, just over at the fire department. So at least you got some sand on the roads. Thank you, fellas. You're making it a safe road here. Look at the top of Savory, that island over there. It's totally covered in snow. Ah, I made her, boys. To the hub of Deep Cove, where there's all of a gas station and a little store. I grabbed some groceries and shit. So I made it, almost. Just on the way back now. Got my surprise. And I'm even thinking I could get the car out and drive in this. Because there's not much of a selection for what you can buy out here in, farm country. But I got enough for today for food, because I got no food. And then we'll figure out what goes from there. No fresh products today, folks. Looks like it's a little bit chilly out here. Let's keep on trucking. Finally, I'm back. That wasn't too bad. I wonder if we have a snow shovel. We do. Huh. That could make things interesting. And a hell of a lot of work. Oh man, I got a lot of respect for you guys that have to deal with this every day. You know, if you live somewhere where it's always snowing in winter. Here, like, this has been the weirdest year yet. There's just snow every day. Or cold. And it's sticking around. Like, it never sticks around here. And it looks like we're going to get some more. Check out that tabletop. Like, yesterday it was about half that size. So, yeah, it's still coming down. But I got it out of the house. So, my cabin fever is slowly diminishing. And tomorrow I'm going to try and drive out of here because I did just go and get most of that snow off my car. And the rest is all ice. So, that's going to be a problem. Come on, white balance. And, yeah, so once that ice melts off there, I just may be able to get out of there. I don't know. That driveway is pretty high with snow as opposed to the lip on the front of my car. Oh, I found my flashlight too. I thought I lost that when I went to Jesse's place, but it was in the back of my car. Speaking of, you guys are really fucking hard on me about that whole Jesse experience. Like, fuck you. Jesse's been a good friend since like grade 6, man. I don't care if he's like, you know, not exactly living like how you guys are with. That's his lifestyle, man. His choice. Let him live. Just let him have a good time. I had a good time, and you know, it is what it is. There's a lot of poverty out here. Live your own life and don't judge others. Got to see some winter this year. First time in many a year. Usually we get like this much snow. Not like that much snow. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Check you later.